gorgeous. It is your girl Tamika. Welcome to the channel, TT Gang Gang. Alright, so you can tell by today's video I'm going to be using the Senegal twist. So they give you 4, so it's times 4, and it's 12 inches long. So it's twist, crochet, and at the ends it has a curl to the end. So you're going to see me go ahead and do my protective style as I crochet my hair in fast speed. And then closer to the end, you'll see London come in and entertain you guys. But in each bundle, you get 15. So I'm just counting them out for you guys so that you'll know. And I only use 1 pack of hair for my tapered cut. Shade size. So it's taper cut, shade size, natural hair, yeah, whatever. But I'm just installing them for you. This is not really a hair tutorial, but it's just so that you can see that I only needed 1 pack, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I think I have 5 braids going back. So as you saw me pull, that was some hair that I was not able to grab. My hair is still short, and it was kind of hard to braid my hair, but I should have used some braiding hair, but I couldn't find it. So I'm not that well organized with my hair products just yet. I'm still in the middle of trying to get organized, but yeah, I didn't use it. So my hair does not look jet black, but the color is 1B. I did dye my hair about 2.5 months ago, and I need to re-dye it again. But because my hair is going to be covered, it really doesn't matter at this point. So I'm starting in the front because you always want to make sure that you are at least installing your crochets in the front, especially when you know that you have like less packs of hair and you're just not too sure if it's going to cover your whole head. You always want to start in the front. So in the front, actually I'm getting close to the middle. So in the middle, I'm on my second one, as you just saw. So in the middle, I space it out a little bit, and in the back I'm going to space it out, but I am going to try to fill it up in the back all the way so it can at least cover the back of my head. And I do have some rubber bands holding my plaits. So now I'm on my 3rd one. My legs are getting tired. So I'm about halfway. I got 3 more braids to go on this side. Well, on my left side. So as you see, I'm trying to get closer in the back. So I'm trying to put them all together in the back. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like in the back. Right there, I was on my 4th pack. So now I'm on my 4th pack. I only have but a few to go in the front. So I'm going to try to put those a little close together and just concentrate on that as much as I can. But I'm getting close to the end. I would say maybe it took me about 45 minutes to do my hair. My hair was already braided the day before. So boom, I am done. So I'm just adding a few of the crochets in the back of my hair that I had left over. And then I'm going to give a quick turnaround. All right, so you see the fullness thereof. Yep. All right, so now I'm putting my hair in a bun, and I am going to shave my sides. I did not record that part. So I said earlier that London is going to entertain you, so just be aware. Get a little laugh. It is what it is. But believe it or not, I am still wearing my hair in like a cute little ponytail on the side. So boom. And that is not wine, that is soda, is ginger ale. So here she goes. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Now she's going to get something for her hair. So I just want to say that her hair looks cute, and I told her, I told her that can she put that inside my hair, but she said she's not going to do it right now.
All right, so now my tapered haircut is shaved in the back, and yes, I do have a little lump. I explained that before, but it is what it is. I do not have a guard. I do, but it's not enough to shave it as low as I did, so I didn't use a guard. I'm just daring like that. And in the beginning, when you guys saw like my hair was unshaved, that was only 2 weeks. That was like literally 2 weeks ago. So it was the week of Mother's Day when I did shave my hair. So that is exactly 2 weeks ago. Boom. So now I'm getting ready to do my edges. I'm going to spray my hair with the olive oil sheen that London was talking about in her little debut cut that she did. Alright, so I'm just brushing it back because I didn't like that look, and it just looked too slick down, and knowing that it's not my hair texture. But here is what my hair looks like if I wear it down, and I will show a little clip of my hair when it is in a ponytail, which I like better anyway. But to have my hair to the sides, I did use bobby pins to make sure it stays in place. So you won't be able to see some spaces in between that I did leave behind, but 2 packs would have done just fine. But I don't like to have a whole lot of hair on my head, and again, my hair is not fully secured because I use my own hair to braid rather than some braiding hair. So my hair is unraveling right now, but you can't tell because I have it in a ponytail. So I'm just giving you a side quick view, and boom, and there she goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on that bell so you can get all the notifications of when I upload a video. Please give this video a thumbs up. So I appreciate it and love you guys. Please take care and be safe. There goes London. Boom, and here we go again. But we're going to end this video right now. Peace. Bye, gorgeous.